everybody, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to romanticize fall/autumn. We've all seen the boo baskets, so let's make one. This is a boo basket. It's just so cute and such a fun way to romanticize autumn. For me, the key to romanticizing everything, especially unboxing my boo basket, is by lighting a candle. So I lit these like delicious smelling candles for the unboxing of my boo basket because I really wanted to set that orangey mood to match like the whole theme of autumn. First thing I got were these cinnamon stick Yankee candles. They smelled so good and they were like these cute baby ones that I could just put on my desk. Not gonna lie, it was actually so difficult to get them out of their packaging. They were like glued tight to it. Look how cute the three of them are. Next were these face and nail care products. I got these super cute nail stickers. Next were these iPad masks, a milky coconut face mask, a serum infused argan oil and shea butter mask. The next thing I got I actually broke before. There are these facial cooling orbs. I love them so much because they're just like so fun to hold and really cooling on your face and your eyes. Whilst I was filming one of my get ready with me's, I accidentally dropped it on the ground and it smashed, and it was so sad because the one I got before was a present from one of my friends. Here's a little ASMR for you. Next is this orange colored Halloween themed smelling candle. It came in the most beautifully designed box. Like, I loved all the details that were painted in orange. It came with this lid so I could keep it on while I wasn't burning it. Look how full aesthetically cute this is. The final product was this pumpkin shaped cup, which is definitely an essential for the fall time because it's just so cute and matches the fall vibes. This happy Halloween paper was added in there because it's just so cute. Now let's make my room a fall and autumny vibe with all of these super cute fall and autumn candles. Let me tell you, after I had burned some of these for a while, it just smelled so amazing in my room, just like cinnamon, and just really made me feel like I was in a fall wonderland. Here are the results. I hope you like it. I want to paint my nails. This looks brown, but it's actually like a super dark red. And since in my boo basket I got these super cute nail stickers, I want to do like a French tip with like red on the white parts of my nail, and then also put these like stickers on them, and I think that looks so cute. I'm also watching this YouTuber which I love so much right now. Her name is like Amethyst Juliet, and then I'm just gonna like paint my nail. Red and brown nails are really in for the full time, so I definitely recommend painting your nails in those colors, especially as even just a basic nail looks very cute as well. These stickers were really cheap and also super fun to add to spice up my nails a little bit. I just did the first one and look how cute that is. What was really funny is I did not realize that these were glow in the dark, even though I think it said on the package, and then when I went to and slept, it like glowed in the dark, and I thought that was like the coolest thing ever because it was so like Halloweeny and like fall. It was very cute. I then put a lot of top coats on so the sticker wouldn't fall off, but these are the results, and I think that they're super fun and just Halloween fall themed. Is it crazy that I've never tried pumpkin bread? I'm not sure. So I was like, okay, I need to make some pumpkin bread. So I bought this pumpkin puree from the store, and then I started the making process. I added like some honey and some maple syrup, I think. Like the combination of both was so delicious with some cinnamon as well. I'd seen pumpkin bread all over TikTok and Instagram, and I was like, okay, I have to make it. But I love making things like healthier and also with less processed sugar, so I decided to make that as well, and I made it gluten-free and lactose-free. There are like a bunch of recipes online. I found mine on Pinterest, but I also found some cool ones on TikTok, Instagram, and definitely Pinterest. A fun fall activity that I love to do is sit with a hot cocoa and scroll on Pinterest and look at recipes that I want to make. Do I end up making them? Not most of the time, but I just like to look and be like, wow, that would taste so amazing. Obviously, I added some pumpkin spice, which really brought out that cinnamony, pumpkin-y flavor with the help of the pumpkin. I'm not sure what it is about pumpkin spice, but I absolutely adore the flavors. Like, I always like a pumpkin spice chai latte or a pumpkin spice matcha. I like it both warm and cold, but I'm very much a cold matcha latte girl. I'm not really sure if you're supposed to add vegan chocolate chips in a normal pumpkin brand, but I had to because I wanted that chocolatey flavor, and it actually turned out to taste so good. Like, I'm glad I put the chocolate chips in. It just added that chocolatey hint to the pumpkin. Even though it wasn't on the recipe, I added some coconut sugar because I wanted it to be sweeter, because originally I thought it would be more of a savory taste, because I'm not really sure what I think of savory sweet treats. I mean, you can't even call them sweet treats, but I decided to add some coconut sugar, and I definitely would add it again if I were to make it again. When I took it out and first tried it, I actually decided that I wanted some cream cheese icing frosting on it. I didn't record it, but I ended up adding it onto it, and that was a game changer. It tasted so delicious and divine. I loved it so much. I then enjoyed it with a side of Greek yogurt and maple syrup. It was so good. So we all know, out of all of the places in the world, Oxford just gives this most ancient and most beautiful fall autumn vibes. It's such a cool place. We're in Oxford celebrating, like, it's so autumny here and so aesthetic, so let's look around. The first thing I did was go into this hot chocolate store. We just bought some delicious hot chocolates just for like the autumn vibes. I wanted to see if they had any delicious fall themed hot chocolates. I did end up buying this coconut hot chocolate and these cookies and cream hot chocolate. The next thing I needed was my autumn themed matcha. I had seen people walking around with a black sheep matcha, and I was like, okay, that seems like a cool place to get it. I did not realize how many options they had. They had all of these fall themed ones, and I decided to get this apple crumble one with coconut milk. I wish they had one near me because I wanted to try all of them. Like, the strawberries and cream one looks so good, and also the pumpkin spice one. Personally, I really love cool flavored matchas. It just brings me so much joy. I then found a cozy place to sit to enjoy my matcha.
Got an apple crumble matcha for like the whole autumn vibe, just so cute. The apple crumble and then the matcha, so let's mix it. Hopefully this is good. Let's give it a try. Really good. If you ever come to England and try like a black sheep, definitely try this one. It's like really good. Super autumny and delicious.
Only downside is it's like kind of warm than I wanted it to be, but you know, it's still pretty good. Guys, I just got a cup of ice to add to it, which was really nice. They gave it to me, so it's gonna be like colder now. Not me completely missing the cup. I was very grateful that they gave me that ice because it actually really helped make it colder. I mean, obviously it is ice. I'm scared this is gonna explode. Oh. I got some advice from my mom to say to drink it first so then it doesn't go all over me when I try to close it. But ta-da! I did end up doing it, and it was actually such a vibe just sitting here drinking my delicious matcha while everyone was at work. Not gonna lie, I should have also been working too, but you know, I'm on holidays. I want to chillax. I also strolled around Oxford with my delicious full matcha pumpkin. Guys, Reese's. Look at them. Pumpkins. Pumpkin. One thing about me is that I absolutely adore Reese's, so I got so excited when I saw that they were selling these pumpkin Reese's in the store. Then I was off to the bookstore because I wanted to see what they had to offer, and on the way they had this super cute looking buildings, and this was a very big bookstore. Like, it actually had so many floors. I didn't know exactly what I was looking for, but I went and had a look at all of the sections, and then I ended up finding myself in the art section because I'm really into art and fashion, and I also found the coolest book ever from my absolute favorite designer, which was the Vivienne Westwood book. I didn't end up getting it because it was so massive and I didn't think I was going to be able to bring it back to where I lived because this had to go on a plane, guys. This could not fit in my suitcase, and my baggage weight would have definitely surpassed the maximum. The next stop was Flying Tiger, where I just looked around at all of their cute Halloween decor. They had this cat and these like cool cups, but I didn't end up getting anything just because I just didn't feel like it was necessary, and I knew that Christmas was around the corner, and so I wanted to wait. And also it's very difficult to take stuff back in a suitcase, so I didn't think I was gonna have any room for all of these like pumpkin and skeleton cups. I did think it was really cute and creative to have like all of these super fun things. Before I left, I quickly went into this Boots because I ended up getting this bronzer drops, which to be honest didn't really work very well, guys. It did not work on my skin, but I had such a good day in Oxford. I really enjoyed it, and in the end looked at some cute pumpkins.
I'm gonna go out to get like a drink and like a little coffee or something in this like local cafe. Whoa! I'm not really sure if I want like a matcha.
The weather was just so full and like cozy, and the leaves were falling, so I decided that it was time to go get a drink and a coffee. And look at these delicious looking croissants. Like the pistachio one looked so amazing, but we just got a latte and my sister got an iced latte. This was actually for my mom because I was gonna get a matcha later.
Got this latte. It is a good day to be in London, but then it's always a good day to be in London.
Okay guys, hear me out. This is the store where I got my matcha from. It is called Blank Street, and they have the most amazing matchas I have ever tasted. I got the banana bread one, and hands down this is the best matcha I have ever tasted in my whole life. If you ever come here, you need to try it.
Big Ben is like right here.
While on the way to the borough markets, we walked past all of these amazing sightseeing things. Look, it's me near the Big Ben with my delicious matcha. Me and my sister wanted to come to the borough markets because we have been seeing them all over TikTok and wanted to see if it was actually worth it. We tried those famous strawberries. To be honest, they were so overhyped, which is a little sad. And everything here was so expensive.
Guys, I just got this for free.
I hope that I gave you some ideas on how to romanticize fall. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!